Hello everybody. Before we start this video, myself and the Matt.
Don't be weird.
What? I'm not weird, you're weird. Anyway, I would like to ask you a small favor. Please like this video and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. So thanks, and let's get to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Green Mat Videos, and today I'm counting down my top 5 EDC purchases of 2024. These are tools I've been using daily and they've earned their place in my rotation, so let's dive in. Starting off at number 5. The Civivi utility knife, and this one is in a stonewash finish. It's slim, it's pocket friendly, and it's perfect for like opening boxes or cutting tape or whatever you do with utility knives. I mean, you can replace the blades easily, just unlock it there and place a new blade and then tightening it up again. It has a flipper mechanism, so it's easily deployed, which I like. There's a nice little clip for your pants, and it is, of course, very sharp. So if I test it out here, I mean, rips through it like butter. So that's the number 5 on my list, the Civivi utility knife. Number 4 is the classic red Model T with a D2 steel blade. I didn't have this one yet, and I thought it would be a nice addition to my collection, and it does not disappoint. The scales are made of nylon, and it's not as premium as like G10 or micarta, but you know, it's very lightweight. And it has the nice D2 blade in a black finish. So excellent knife. And it holds its edge incredibly well for the price. This is not expensive at all. And it all depends on where you live in the world, of course. But yeah, it's a very affordable knife. And whether I'm slicing rope or cutting food or anything, this thing is always with me. Coming in at number 3 is the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X. This multi-tool is Swiss made, and you can tell by the craftsmanship that went in there. It has some nice tools, and especially the pliers. Look at that. They are very smooth and precise. And the knife is out of the box very sharp. Got scissors. A little small for my taste. And the only thing that I don't like about this compared to, for instance, my Leatherman Surge, is I have to kind of like peel everything out with my nails. But you know, you can't deny the quality of the tool, and I'm very glad I finally purchased this in 2024, and it made my top 5 list. It's in my pocket when I'm, you know, not doing heavy duty work. When I'm doing heavy duty work, I take the Surge, but otherwise I take my Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit X. So there is your number 3. At number 2, we have the Knipex Cobra XS. adjustable pliers, and these are really an engineering marvel. They're just 4 inches tall, so very small. They fit into your pocket or your pouch, and you should have this on you everywhere you go. You can use it for small bolts because, as you can see, they can grip everything with those serrated teeth. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, everything you grab with this is tight and grabbed firmly. You can adjust it like this, and it's just an amazing tool. Perfect for on-the-go fixes. So this is always on me in my EDC kit. So there's your number 2, the Knipex Cobra XS. At number 1, we have the Hoto Precision Screwdriver. My absolute favorite EDC tool of the year. It has 24 bits. It has 12 bits, but they're double-sided, so you really have 24 bits. It has a magnetic cap, and the cap rotates like any good precision screwdriver. Design-wise, it's very sleek. I love the clean lines, that it hides the bits so well. The cap doesn't fall off or anything when it's being held with the magnet. So all in all, a perfect addition to my EDC toolkit. I'm very happy I bought it, and it's my number 1 favorite item of the year. So I'm curious, what is your favorite item of the year? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.